There she goes. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cutthroat Casters YouTube channel, and today is the first open water mission of the year. We are going to be going after big brown trout and big rainbow trout, and we have some special flies to do that today. Fly fishing adventure. Let's show you guys what I got. So this is going to be a pretty easy one. This is like the tried and true, like we're going to catch fish on this 100%, and that is a black. Streamers this time of year are absolutely money, and black is all the better because that runoff is starting to pick up. The fish will be able to see it real good, and we should catch some pretty nice fish. Lots of numbers and quality fish on this. And a big old brown trout's gonna come up and smack that thing. So let's get tied on. Let's go. Let's get casting, baby. Come on. We're hooked up on a semi-decent fish here. We're gonna see if we can't bring her in. Come here. We're gonna have to give it the old lay down scoop. We got him. Look at how pretty that brown is. A solid probably 16 and a quarter inch fish. Beautiful brown trout. Let's get her back in the water. Oh man, let's go. We finally got one. Hit the streamer. Oh, let's freaking go. That fish was our first fish on the fly rod, honestly, of 2024. So that feels pretty good to get that weight off my shoulders. I caught one, and it wasn't half bad. 16 and a quarter. Pretty nice fish. But she ate what we started with. Black streamer. I knew this thing would do pretty good today. We hit a little bit of a lull there. It is kind of midday, so a little bit expected. But let's see if we can't get back in there and hook up on another one. Here we go. Hooked up. Come on. Come on. It's not very big. It's not, it is not very big. Come on, let's get you in the net. There we go. Not the biggest fish, but it's a pretty little brown trout. Ate that streamer, probably about 8 inches. Let's hit that feisty sucker back in the water. We got one, boys. It's definitely a lot bigger than the last one. It's not a giant. But it's a much better fish. Come on. Come here, buddy. Ooh. We got him. Let's go. Streamer pops right out, no problem. A nice, probably 16 incher. Beautiful brown trout. See if we can get her to swim off pretty nice. Look at that. There she goes. Beautiful. Let's go. Let's get this streamer dipped back in the water. See if we can get a big one. Yesterday we caught probably a 16 and a quarter. The last one was honestly an 8, and then that one right there is 16. So her size isn't that bad. That being said, it would be nice to catch like a really quality fish. We got him. Come on. No, I'm stuck. Oh, this fish is gone, dude. There's no way I land this. There's no way I land this fish after that. Oh, it's a nice 15 and a half. Oh, he's fighting. Oh, he's fighting. Let's go. Oh, and it popped out right at the last second. Look at that. It popped out. Oh my goodness. That hook popped out and we got him. Beautiful. Probably 15-incher. Awesome fish. See you, girl. It's so cool seeing him swim back. I mean, this water is just so crystal clear. Oh man. Bite's starting to pick up. Let's go. That's awesome. We're hooked up, boys. Oh, it's not super big. A little bit bigger than our first one, probably about 10 inches or so. Beautiful color on those fins. Pretty fish. Let's get her back in the water. Keep casting. Up on another one here. Oh, he's fighting pretty good. I don't think he's very big though. Yeah, same size as the last couple. Beautiful 10-inch brown trout. His orange spots are much more colorful. Super pretty fish. Let's get her back in the water so she can get back to feeding. Come on, that's pretty good. Fly rod and streamer's putting in some work today. Alright guys, we are back out here today. This is day number 3 of this fishing adventure. Oh, it's been tough, but it's an absolute freaking snowstorm out today, and hopefully the fish will be biting pretty good. I have a feeling that they will be. Let's see if we can't get a couple in the net. Let's go. Here we go. Let's freaking go. Oh, it's a halfway decent one too. Ah, come on. Come on. No, 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 no. Let's go, we got him. Our beautiful brown we just got, this very quality 15 and a half incher. Oh man, what a pretty fish. It is absolutely coming down right now. And it is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let's get a reach on this quality fish. Come on, girl. This way. There you go. There she goes. That's awesome. We just hooked up again. I don't think it's quite as big as the first one, but it's still a fish on the fly rod. Come here, come here. I think I'm just gonna hand this one. There she is. A beautiful 13 and a half brown trout. Look at the colors on that beautiful fish. Wow. Brown trout might be invasive and very aggressive, but man, are they pretty fish. Wow. I can't complain. Let's get her back in and I'll come back. Oh my goodness, guys. It's already paid off me coming out here today. That snow's coming down. My hands are absolutely freezing cold. Stripping that line, using that same streamer as the past couple days. Just grinding, putting it in, putting the time in. But we're catching fish, and that's incredible. I can't complain on a day where I'm catching fish. Hope you guys are enjoying this video, because I'm out here freezing my fingers off for you guys. Hope you enjoy the content. Now let's catch some more. Here we go. Let's get casting, baby. We got one. I thought it was snagged for a second, but it was a fish. Let's get her up here. Come here. Oh yeah. Streamer right in the corner of the mouth. Look at that. Beautiful fish. A nice 13 and a half inch brown trout. Hopefully we can get on some bigger ones, but we're catching fish. Let's get her back in there and keep casting. Come on. We got one, boys. Feels a little bit bigger than the other ones, but I don't think it's giant. I mean, it's a healthy fish. Ooh. My drag's freezing. Yeah, it's a healthy fish. It's not huge, but it's a healthy fish. Ooh. Nice, let's go. Look at this pretty fish. Oh my goodness. A nice 16, 17 incher. Let's get her back in the water. Let's go. Come on now. All I'm doing here is taking this black streamer and I'm casting it, you know, into the middle of the current here or into a good spot. But all I'm doing is I'm just bringing it back, twitching it slowly. I'll kind of show you guys here. It's like I get it out, you know, somewhat far, like that. And all I'm doing is just giving it little pops, like so. Streamer fishing is super easy to do. The hardest part literally is just casting. It's a lot of fun and it's a good way to target, you know, those slightly larger fish. Sometimes it gets old and you have to comb through, you know, a bunch of 8 to 10 inchers if you're, you know, nymphing or even dry fly fishing this time of year, just because we have early mosquito and black fly spawns. But even then, you can get big fish, don't get me wrong, but you're gonna have to weed through a bunch of those smaller ones as well. Ooh, I think I might have just got hit. Definitely got a little nibble, but we're gonna see if we can't put that 17 incher, you know, on a good day. I get that. It's probably our best fish of the day so far. Oh, come on, dude. I'm getting hit over and over again right there. But honestly, it's just nice to be out on the water, you know, guys. You know, ice fishing season's coming to an end. And open water season is just upon us. So, comment down below if you guys want to see anything in particular. Any sort of open water fishing stuff. Fly fishing, spin fishing, you know, tips and tricks. Whatever species you guys want to target, comment down below. And I'll do my best to respond to you guys and give you guys a hand or make an informational video on it, you know. Oh, yeah. Oh! I may or may not have just missed a pretty good one. May or may not. I don't know. There's a deep little pocket right here I haven't hit yet. Oh, and there was a fish sitting right in there. Oh, come on. He's fighting. There was a fish sitting right in that pocket. Oh, come on, buddy. It's not very big, but it's stocky. It's giving me a pretty good fight. Come here. I know. I know. I know. Come here, buddy. Give him that. I knew he was sitting right there, and there he is. A solid 14, 15 inch fish with that black streamer right in the top of his mouth. Hook pops out super easy. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back in the water. Let's catch another one. Here we go. Here we go. Hooked up. Hooked up, boys. Let's go. Ooh. He's not giant, but it's a decent little fish. Come here, buddy. Come here. Got him. Let's go. We got him. All right. Got another brown trout here. Beautiful. Probably 14 and a half, 15 incher. Let's get him back in the water. There you go, buddy. There he goes. Look how crystal clear this water is. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then there's just snow. We're gonna call it right there. I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you guys liked the video, leave a like. And I caught a good amount of fish, so if you think that's worth a subscribe, go down there and click subscribe, put on notifications so you don't miss out on the next video. I hope you guys were entertained and you learned a little something that you can take on your next fishing adventure. I really do love fly fishing. It's one of my passions. I think it's a lot more relaxing than, you know, some other types of fishing. But if you guys enjoy fly fishing videos, drop a comment just so I can get a gauge on kind of where you guys are at. If you guys enjoy this content too, you guys reacting in the comments, liking the video, that helps me put out better content for you guys to enjoy. So I'm pretty sure you guys know what to do. But we caught some awesome fish today on the streamer. Threw a couple extra flies just when we were out, but you know, had an absolute blast. So I'm glad I could take you guys along with me. I'm gonna go and grab a hot chocolate or something. But until next time, y'all, I'll catch you guys on the river. And remember, keep casting.